In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a high beam headlight bulb on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located inside the headlight and under the hood. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and make our way to either headlight. We'll be doing the passenger side in this video. We're going to locate our cover on the innermost portion of the headlight assembly. Put your thumb under it and pry it off. Set it aside. Now we have access to our high beam bulb. We're going to turn this counterclockwise to remove it from its holder. So put your hand over it and twist. Once it's removed from the holder, pull it out and flip it over. We're going to locate our connector and pull up on this tab to remove the bulb. And there it is. Now to install our high beam bulb. Locate your connector, pull it out, slide the portion of the bulb with a mounting tab over it, and fully push in. Make sure it's secure. Now feed it into the headlight assembly. Locate the mounting tabs. Once your bulb is fully flush, turn clockwise. You'll know the bulb is fully installed when it is pointing to the 12 o'clock position. We're going to reinstall our rubber cover. Just slide it over and push it in place. Make sure it sits fully flush.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.